Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Frank Maxwell and welcome back to Diabetes Medic, the channel dedicated to empowering you with metabolic health knowledge. Today we're going to dive into the 8 different telltale signs that your body is currently depleted of essential vital nutrients. Now, the potential problem with me teaching you this is that you will inevitably start evaluating everyone you know, from family members to colleagues. I strongly urge you to withhold that temptation. People tend to be quite sensitive if you start analyzing their physical flaws, whether it's those small white spots on their fingernails or explaining the underlying causes of a common physical complaint. Keep this information for your own benefit and for our community. Let me first explain the 3 fundamental metabolic reasons why so many people, especially those dealing with blood sugar issues, become deficient in necessary nutrients. 3 pillars of deficiency: impaired digestive barrier, malabsorption. Your gut is damaged, often due to chronic inflammation or poor diet, preventing you from fully absorbing the nutrition you consume. This is called malabsorption. Furthermore, if you've had your gallbladder removed or lack sufficient bile, you cannot efficiently pull in fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K, which are critical for metabolic health. Poor food quality. You are simply not consuming enough of the right nutrient-dense foods, or the food you are eating is lacking in nutritional value. This is a massive issue today because modern farming practices have resulted in poor soil quality. You might pick a perfect-looking tomato, but it's often tasteless, and flavor is directly tied to a food's nutrient density. Nutrient depletion via sugar. Consuming refined carbohydrates and sugars actively depletes and robs your body of stored nutrition. Your body uses up vital vitamins, like B vitamins and magnesium, just to process and neutralize the excessive glucose load. Understanding these 3 points is the first step toward correcting any deficiency. Now, let's go through the definitive list of signs, starting with the ones you can see right now. The 23 signs. Your body is starving. Part 1 of 3. 1. White specks on nails. If you notice these little spots, it signals a zinc deficiency. More accurately, it means you have recently consumed too much sugar, which actively pushes zinc out of your body. If you see a white speck about halfway down your nail, that corresponds to the last 3 to 4 months of your diet. Actionable remedy: stop consuming sugar and refined carbs, or start taking a high-quality zinc supplement. 2. Oily skin. This condition occurs when the oil glands, sebaceous glands, become overactive, often due to an imbalance or excess of androgens, male hormones. Zinc plays a crucial role in regulating these androgens. For many females with oily skin and blood sugar problems, this may indicate polycystic ovary syndrome, PCOS, which is fundamentally driven by excess insulin and sugar. Actionable remedy: increase zinc intake to regulate hormones and immediately lower your sugar consumption to reduce insulin levels. 3. Cracking at the corners of the mouth or heels. These small fissures, known as angular cheilitis, mouth, or deep cracks, heels, are classic signs of a vitamin B2, riboflavin, or B3, niacin, deficiency. B vitamins are essential for skin repair and integrity. This issue is frequently compounded by low vitamin D, as vitamin D helps support the necessary gut microbes that produce these critical B vitamins. Actionable remedy: take a vitamin D supplement and add nutritional yeast for bioavailable B vitamins, especially B2. 4. Flaking skin around nose or forehead. This is a specific type of dermatitis, often indicating a deficiency in omega-3 fatty acids, which are anti-inflammatory. It's caused by a severe imbalance of too many pro-inflammatory omega-6s in your diet. Actionable remedy: reduce inflammatory sources like excess nuts, peanut butter, chicken, fried foods, and highly processed seed oils. Immediately eat more fatty fish, like salmon or sardines, or supplement with high-quality cod liver oil. 5. Yellow eyes, jaundice. While this warrants immediate medical attention, it frequently points to deeper liver or gallbladder issues, Most commonly, a deficiency in bile salts. Bile is crucial for digestion and flushing toxins. When bile flow is blocked, red blood cell byproducts build up, causing the yellowing. Actionable remedy: consult your doctor. Often, taking purified bile salts can help stimulate bile flow, clear excess byproducts, and improve digestive function. Sixth, chronic cough. A persistent, non-infectious cough can often be traced back to a functional calcium deficiency. Calcium is not just for bones. It's essential for relaxing the muscles in your throat and larynx, and it plays a vital role in immune regulation. Actionable remedy: supplement with calcium lactate. Avoid calcium carbonate, which is poorly absorbed. About 200 milligrams taken before bedtime can help relax muscles and support sleep. Seventh, bleeding or swollen gums. This is a classic early indicator of vitamin C deficiency, a mild form of scurvy. Vitamin C is crucial for collagen production and the integrity of gums and blood vessels. Remember that sugar directly competes with vitamin C for absorption into your cells, effectively knocking it out. Actionable remedy: dramatically reduce your sugar intake and increase your consumption of leafy green vegetables and other high vitamin C, low sugar sources. 8. Night vision issues. Difficulty seeing clearly in low light, known as night blindness, points to a clear vitamin A deficiency. You need the active form, retinol, which is found in animal-based sources, quality dairy, butter, liver, egg yolks, and cod liver oil. Plant-based beta-carotene is not easily converted by many people. Actionable remedy: increase consumption of retinol-rich animal products. Also ensure adequate bile flow, as discussed in Sign 5, for proper absorption of this fat-soluble vitamin. My final take: every single one of these physical signs is a silent scream from your body begging for metabolic balance. For the audience of Diabetes Medic, these deficiencies are not random. They are a direct consequence of the inflammatory, nutrient-depleting cascade caused by high sugar and insulin resistance. By addressing these nutrient gaps, you are not just clearing up your skin or fixing your nails. You are stabilizing your metabolism and protecting your long-term health. If you found this essential, life-changing information helpful, you know what to do. Hit the like button, subscribe to Diabetes Medic, join our community. We are committed to empowering you with these definitive solutions every single week. Leave a comment. Tell me, which of these 8 signs have you noticed in yourself or a loved one? Your insights fuel our channel and help us reach more people facing these exact challenges. The video on screen is the next for better result. Click on it now, and I will see you there. Thank you for watching.